Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Ewatomilola of FammisTreat. Please, if today is your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your families and friends. So guys, today we'll be cooking a very special fried rice, which I name Fammis special fried rice. So here are the recipe we'll be using. For this recipe, we'll be using some green pepper, green peas, some diced carrots, some red pepper, spring onions, some shrimps, some sweet corn, boiled diced gizzard, some turkey, some chicken, our basmati rice, our eggs, seasoning cubes, salt, complete seasoning, turmeric powder, chicken seasoning. Finally, it's about to go down low. So next, we want to boil our turkey. And note guys, I told you guys to always season your turkey or any protein you are using very well. So I'll be seasoning mine with some seasoning cube, some salt. Your mixed stock really means a lot to you when you are cooking. I have my curry here, my complete seasoning, and my garlic powder too. So I'll be adding all inside my turkey. Then I'll be adding some water. More water because I really need the stock. So now I'll turn together. This is the kind of rice you cook for your husband's friend, your mother-in-law, just name it. So let's check back on our turkey. Can you see how juicy this is? This is a well seasoned turkey. Then we'll cover again. Don't forget, we are still checking back. Time to check back. So at this point, we just have to be focused and pack this turkey because the turkey aroma is so nice and the turkey itself is so juicy and nice. So if care is not taken, you'll finish everything even before starting your food. So in an empty pot, pour our stock, add some seasoning cubes, some salt. Please be careful of the salt you put, then add water. At this point, please add your turmeric powder, then stir. I have my washed rice here. I'll be adding them gradually. This is basmati rice. We need to be very careful when stirring because it breaks easily. So let's close and let's go and do something else. Next, I'll be seasoning my chicken with some chicken seasoning, barbecue spice, just a pinch of salt, please.
I feel nauseous,
my seasoning cube. So it's time to mix up. So I'll mix this very well. Like I'll mix it together very well.
Just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me.
In another bowl, I'll have my shrimps, seasoned with a bit of salt,
I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility.
Mixed together very well as well. Now I'll put my saucepan on fire, add some vegetable oil, then pour in my shrimps. I just want to stir fry this for some time, so now it's time to pack it. I'll be checking on my rice now. It's not yet done, so I'll be adding a bit of water, then close back. Let's check back again, guys. So now the rice is done. Remember I told you this is basmati rice, so you have to be very careful when trying to turn over the rice. So I'll just be doing that side by side. So in an empty saucepan, I'll be adding my vegetable oil. Then remember that our well seasoned chicken. Yes, now it's time to stir fry it. While this is on the fire, please let's check back on our rice. So at this point, my rice is done and there's no single water inside again. So I'll cover again, then check back on my chicken. In another saucepan, a very big one. I'll be using a very big one because my rice is much, so I'll be adding my carrots, all my veggies. Can you sight that our chicken still boiling, cooking on the fire? Yes, the chicken is actually still on the fire while I do this. So at this point, I'll be pouring all my veggies together in a big saucepan, please. A saucepan that it will contain all the rice that you cook, that the rice you boiled already. So I'll be adding my shrimps, green pepper. So now it's time to add our chicken. A bit of seasoning.